term cooking.
Yes, and I used it right, and you think
I didn't say you used it wrong.
No, I know, but the way you're describing it is the way I did not use it in that term.
What? How am I describing it?
Like I was talking about my grade.
What else did you mean by cooking in Spanish?
Like I'm doing good in class.
Wouldn't that mean your grade?
No. If I was cooking in Spanish, I would say I'm cooking it as my Spanish grade. Are you confused?
No, cooking in Spanish means you're doing really well in the class. You're getting a good grade.
Yes, I just said I'm doing well in the class.
Yes, meaning grade.
I'm sitting in the class. Like I'm doing well in the class. If I was talking about in the class, like if I was talking about a grade, why would I say in the class?
Are you literally telling me that you're following directions in Spanish, but
yes,
you're saying you're cooking?
I didn't even say just that.
Not even about
Stop.
the grade.
I literally got a 29 out of 30 on my benchmark, and I'm like good. I literally wrote like 7 sentences about me, and apparently that's not cooking. Okay, wow.
Well,
Just stop talking.